Guys, hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. So guys, right now I'm going to the post office. They sent me a letter saying I should come to the old post office. So right now I'm going to the post office. The last time I went, they were closed. So, and the next day was a public holiday, they were not open. So right now I'm going to the post office to see why they want me there with certain amounts of money. Yeah, so come along with me guys. Yeah guys, I finally got my package, so I'm going to be unboxing with you guys. Right now I'm still inside the mall, so come along. Hey guys, welcome back again. So guys, right now I'm back from the post office and now I'm going to the church so that I'm going to go give those things where we usually keep them. Like if I don't have time to go to the places to give them away, we have a place in the church where we keep them. So that way the church St. Vincent de Paul's groups, they're going to help to go and give them out to the people that needs them. So right now I'm going to the church to go and drop those things. So I'm going to carry you guys along. I hope you stay tuned. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed.
When the walls are breaking down, when we're falling with our head on the ground, do you feel it's reaching now? Can you hear the curtains fall? It is certain, it's emerging. We've been waiting for the shadows to rise. On the surface, we are fearless. When we hear it coming, the word is out. When the road is filled with doubt, when the light is covered by clouds, can you hear the sirens call? Can you feel the curtains fall? It is certain, it's emerging. We've been waiting for the shadows to rise. On the surface, we are fearless. When we hear it coming, the word is out. On the surface, we are fearless. When we hear it coming, the word is out.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years never really learned this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me.
Hello guys, so I am back again with the box. You remember I told you guys that I'm going to the post office? Yes guys. So after I got the message, a letter, the open letter that says that my parcel has been delivered. So later, 1 week after, I went back to my box to check again if there's any message I'm going to get as usual. So I got this another paper that says my name was there, and they said I should bring so amount and come to the post office. So that was what I did. So I took the money and went to the post office. So going there, after every clearance and every other thing, they gave me this box. So I would like to unbox this with you guys. I've not seen what is in this box. So wow, this is nice, eh? Look at this. Ellen Tracy. This is a opaque tights. And wow, this is another one, eh? It says Chevy, another tights. Wow. Oh my god, this is the wireless neckband in ear, the Bluetooth. And look at this also guys, it came with this. I don't know how to use it. Oh my god, I'm going to check out how to use this. Look at this guys, it's 3 of them plus this. Oh my god, I can't wait to see how this works guys. I don't know how it works, but I'm sure I'm going to figure out how it works. It says a smartphone, pad and laptop. It can be used for this. Oh, I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, let's unbox this together. Look at this. Is it earpod or AirPod? If you know, if you yeah, you tell me in the comment section. This is nice guys, this is wireless and I love it. I love it. I love it. This my sister knows the kind of thing her sister likes guys. Look at it. Look at it guys. Oh, I'm so grateful. So grateful for this. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. Thank you so much. Yes, guys. Wow, I am so happy for this. I've been looking forward to this, and oh my god. My sister gave me 3 AirPods, guys. 3 AirPods, guys. I can't believe this. 3 different AirPods. Look at it, guys. Oh my god, I don't know how I'm going to thank my sister. Please guys, my sister is going to watch this video. Join me and thank her for me guys. Look at this, only this thing. She got it for me for $13.99. $13.99. Only this guys. All this, all for me guys. Just help me thank my sister in the comment section. And I thank you guys also for watching this guys. So guys, I am so happy and also grateful in all this. Yes guys, my video where I went to give away things in the church. It's good to give away things. That way, the more we give, the more God blesses us. Even if you don't have the ones you have, you can give away. Yes, you can just share whatever you have. Maybe you feel that you don't want to make use of it anymore, it's still in good condition, you can still give it out, because there are some people out there that need it. Yes, guys. So I appreciate each and every one of you. If you've watched till this minute, remember to leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell. That way that whenever there's an upload in this channel, you always be notified.
We'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah.